Okay, we're in this Chinatown area, and this is called Chinatown route, and there's also a temple right over there. And we're just gonna walk in this area a little bit and film. Let's go check out the road. The riverfront is not too far away. So today is a Saturday. Mostly see tourists, some businesses are open, a lot of warehouses. Kind of walking in the road a little bit today. So yeah, this is the Chinatown area. A little bit undecided what I'm going to do myself today. I'm in Bangkok, but I keep wanting to get south, so I can either do one of two things: buy an airline ticket and go south, or I can explore more of Bangkok. And I haven't quite decided. So I went to a hotel, but then I didn't really like it, so I actually didn't even see it, but I couldn't check in, so I just opted out of it. But we are getting to explore another part of Bangkok though anyways. I don't know, I might just end this right here. I'm still in Chinatown, so I think I can't really end it without explaining a little bit. I have explored in this area before, and I have filmed in here before. It was about a year ago. So and I kind of remember seeing basically the same that I'm experiencing now. Just basically a lot of streets are a little bit empty, kind of a warehouse-ish feel. There are some parts that it's very heavy commercial, but this isn't one of them. And we're just going to explore a little bit through it, and then I'm gonna probably opt for an entire other area. But you are getting a feel for kind of the warehouse-ish feel that I see a lot of in Chinatown. And we're stuck in traffic again. Damn. I don't want to. Okay, so this is awesome part of Chinatown. There's a very heavy commercial district. You can search for my past Bangkok Chinatown. It'll probably come up, or Thailand Chinatown. I'm not sure what it's under, but I definitely have it about a year ago. If you want to see more. And that particular trip, I probably filmed for like an hour. So, but anyways, this is basically what it's going to look like for a while until I find the best spot of it, commercial area.